Is there a Pulwama link to the Delhi blast? This car was sold to a man in Pulwama. That man has now been identified as Tariq, a resident of Pulwama, and what you see on your screens right now is that individual, Tariq, on the day, and that I believe is the very car. This is massive. Earlier, remember, a man named Salman had been picked up and interrogated by the police. We had shown you the registration certificate of this vehicle, which was still registered in Salman's name. He said that I have sold off the car, but clearly the transfer did not take place on paper. But now this picture has emerged of this man called Tariq from Pulwama in Jammu and Kashmir. These dots now seem to be connected to each other. Interrogation of two men who were connected to the Anantnag terror module taking place to see if they're involved in the Delhi blast in any way. But this is going to be a very, very important piece of evidence. Let me bring in Aditya Raj Kaul on this. A Pulwama link possible to the blast that took place in Delhi. Tariq in Pulwama. The first picture emerges of the very vehicle involved in this explosion with Tariq in the frame. Aditya.
Well, yes, it's a big development coming at this hour, Padmaja. We are breaking this first on NDTV that a man named Tariq was in fact owning that particular vehicle, and he hails from Pulwama in South Kashmir. Now, Pulwama unfortunately has been infamous for the 14th Feb terror attack that took place in 2019, killing more than 40 of our brave-hearts of the CRPF. And Pulwama has been one of the major terror-infested regions in South Kashmir as well. Although today is a different story, but yet this could be an important piece of evidence, an important piece of chain and link that could lead to the masterminds of this possibly reportedly terror attack, if it is so, here outside the Red Fort in New Delhi. It's unprecedented. It hasn't been seen in the last 10 to 15 years. But if at all it's a terror attack, that certainly there should be alarm bells ringing, and investigative agencies are doing everything possible, even at this hour, at around 11:30 tonight, to see what really has happened out here. I'll ask Azam to pan and show you this location again. At 11:30 p.m. there are senior officers and heavy equipment that has been brought in here, right 100 to 200 meters away from where I'm standing right now. This is the location. In fact, there is a car that is situated there, completely mangled, completely destroyed, that is being investigated further. On your screen right now is the exact location where this vehicle is. You can see on your screens, this is the vehicle where the blast took place. There are multiple casualties that have been reported, including 10 people killed and more than 20 injured. And all agencies in this particular area are trying to investigate further what really happened. Every piece of evidence is being taken into account. There is sophisticated equipment that has been brought in by the NSG, the NIA, and the Delhi Police Special Cell to investigate each and every mangled piece of evidence, every possible chemical that they find in this vicinity of the Subhash Chowk area where the blast has taken place. So the latest coming in, it's been few hours since the blast took place, but as of now, every possible detail is being investigated, even as new leads break here on NDTV. As we keep our viewers ahead on the latest breaking news situation, we are learning that the key element of the car, while it was owned by a different person called Salman, it was sold to a person called Tariq from Pulwama in South Kashmir, and that could be possibly a crucial investigation link that the investigative agencies will be investigating further, and perhaps they could also seek help from the Jammu and Kashmir police to investigate further and perhaps see if they need to detain immediately some people in Pulwama or in Jammu and Kashmir.